Hello, you. Here are my quiz codes, Geneva Tutoring Prep. These are code questions that I put together. I made sure to mix these questions up so they don't fall in the same order to get some little, discrepancies of what you've seen before. So I mixed up the questions and the options for those questions. So hopefully that will be awesome for you, just to give you some differences, like I said from before. And there are some extra questions on here. So I'm excited. I will be announcing some big news sometime soon. But in the meantime, these are my not quiz, but WAYGROUND codes for right now. So if you have any questions, let me know. If you have not subscribed, please do so. And take part of that lo-fi study session for an hour that I put together. I love it. It's so relaxing. I use it when I'm studying during my PhD program. But yes, let me stop rambling because I just love just doing all this stuff for you all. It makes me so excited to have you here. So thank you and happy studying. So the questions include practice questions, 1, mixed, practice question 2, mixed, careers, mixed human growth and counseling, helping, scenario questions, areas of clinical focus, assessments, social cultural foundations, research, my favorite, defense mechanisms, psychiatric disorder, autism diagnoses, and human growth and development separately. So, happy studying, and yes, you got this. I'm so proud of you all, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Happy studying.